Hi everybody, I'm Max. Today I would like to bring you a fishing rod rack that can be used in cars, which is super easy to use and pretty sturdy. Next, I will introduce you the excellent spatial performance of this car-mounted rod rack. It doesn't affect the interior space at all. Here we go and take a look. Although a fishing rod rack is installed in the car now, I completely cannot feel its presence. Wow, the same goes for the back seats. Wow! Do you like it? Every angler deserves it.